Today, I'll be showing you how to delete the YouTube app from your Android phone. Now, the easiest way or the best way to delete it is to long press on the app icon from the app screen, not from the home screen. So go to the app screen and find that particular application icon. So since it's YouTube, find the YouTube icon, long press on YouTube. Beg your pardon, let's try that again. From the menu that pops up, you should see the option uninstall. Now, if you don't see uninstall, that's probably because YouTube came pre-installed on the phone and you may not be able to uninstall it. So what you can do to confirm this is tap on the eye icon to go to the app info page. Now on the app info page, you can see there's really no option to uninstall. So the best you can do is to disable that application. So go ahead and tap on disable and confirm you want to disable that app. And that app is going to disappear from your phone completely because it's disabled. All right. So that will serve the same purpose as completely uninstalling it. Now, most Android phones of today have that feature where you're not able to particularly uninstall the app, but you can go ahead and disable it, which will just make the app disappear completely just as much. Thanks for watching and good luck.